안녕하세요 여러분. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmad. Today our class is about chapter number 2. Sanghwal is life, Yong is use and Pom is product. Daily life product. Egon is this thing. Mo what? Yeyo. What is this thing? Shige yeyo, this is clock. In this chapter you will learn, in grammar section you will learn eayo and yeyo, and in second part e ga 아니에요. In vocabulary you will learn about the office objects 사무실 물건, and in second part 생활용품 daily life products and objects. In culture and information section, Monhwa is culture, Wa is and, Chongbu is information. You will learn how you can buy the cheap things in Korea. After learning this chapter, you can ask and answer the names of objects, and you can also answer in questions demonstratives. Now our first thing is OV is vocabulary. Samushil mulgon. Samushil is office, mulgon is objects. Egot is this thing. The thing near you is egot. Chogot. Chogot is that thing over there. Kugot is that thing. If you are indicating the location, then you will say chogot. If there is confirmed thing is available, then you will say kugot. Mot is what, and mo is also what. In this picture you will see different objects which are mostly in our offices, like yonpil is pencil, shige clock, hyudephone and hyude chonwa is cell phone, ballpen ballpoint, Thalyok is calendar, Khavi is Caesar, computer, Kesangi is calculator, Khal is cutter, Angyong glasses, Kop is cup. Now there is some exercise. This is number 1 is computer, number 2 is ballpen, number 3 is Thalyok calendar, and Angyong is glasses. Now in Monphob grammar section we will learn eayo and yeyo. Actually eayo and yeyo is ending with the meaning of is, am, are. If the last letter of your word is consonant, you will attach eayo at the end. If a vowel, then you will attach yeyo at the end. Like there are some examples. Egon, this thing. Kesangi yeyo, this is calculator. Kugon, that thing. Angyong is glasses. Last letter is consonant, that's why eyo, that is glasses. On nara saram eyo. In saram the last letter is consonant, that's why eyo. From where you are, Vietnam saram eyo, there is also consonant at the end, so we will attach eyo. Now in practice, question number 1 is Krim Phogo, see the picture. Theva is conversation. Wansong Hasyo is complete with the pictures. Egon, this thing. Hyudephone, handphone. Eyo, is this a cell phone? Ne, yes. Hyudephone, eyo. Theguk saram eyo, are you from Thailand? Ne, yes. Theguk saram eyo. Egon, khavi eyo, is this a scissors? Aniyo, khal eyo, you will attach khal. The name of this thing is khal eyo. Yorisa eyo, he is a cook. Aniyo, no. Uisa yeyo, But you be careful, if the last letter is consonant, you will say EAO. If a vowel, then you will say yeyo. Now in this picture, the phogi is Egon moyeyo. What is this? Kesangi yeyo. This is calculator. Egon bullpen yeyo. This is bullpen. Ne, yes, bullpen yeyo. Now Theva 1 of this chapter. Let's listen.
유진 씨, 이건 뭐예요?
Eugene she, Egon, this is moyeyo. What is this thing?
달력이에요.
Thalyok is calendar. Thalyok yeyo. The last letter is consonant in Thalyok. That's why yeyo. This is calendar.
저건 뭐예요?
Chogon, that thing. Moyeyo, what is that thing?
아, 저건 시계예요.
Chogon, that is shigeyeyo, a clock. Now there is two questions. One is Egon, Thalyok, yeyo. Is this a calendar? You will say ne thalyok yeyo. This is calendar. The next question is chogon moyo. What is that thing? Chogon shige yeyo. Our answer is chogon shige yeyo. Now there is an example, and after that we will make sentences by using these words. In examples, this is Egon moyeyo. What is this? Egon 안경 예요. This is glasses. chogon moyeyo. What is that thing? chogon kop 예요. That is kop. You will see if the last letter is consonant, then 예요, and if the last letter is vowel, then 예요. Now we will complete with these words. 이건 뭐예요? 컴퓨터예요. 이건 컴퓨터 예요. Because last letter in 컴퓨터 is vowel, then you will attach 예요. 저건 뭐예요? What is that thing? 계산기예요. 저건, that thing is 계산기. Last letter is vowel. 계산기예요. Okay. Now there is a param. Param is pronunciation. Let's listen.
1, 우, 으.
In number 1, il, u and
2, 구름,
코름,
그네,
크네,
구두,
구두,
그림.
그림. This is pronunciation. Now next is OHV number 2, which is about Sanghwal Yongpom, daily necessities and daily life objects. In this picture you will see Huji is tissue paper or toilet paper. Yulse is keys, cowl, mirror. Kajuk Sajan, family picture. Kabang, bag. Pit, brush. Yokwon, passport. Usan, umbrella. Phege, pillow. Chigap, wallet. Hwajangphom, cosmetics. Ebol, blanket. Now there is a phogi, and we will complete our sentences with the help of these pictures. In the phogi is example. Egon moyeo. What is this? In the picture there is Hwajangphom eo. But we must careful, if the last letter is consonant, then we add eo, and vowel, then we add yeo. Now in this picture we have Usan. What we will say? Egon moyeo. What is this? Usan. In last Usan, nian, we will add eo. Usan eo. Number 2, Egon moyeo. You'll say. In the last there is double vowel, that's why we add 열쇠예요. Number 3, 이건 가족 사진이에요. This is family picture. 아니요, 여권. The last is 니은. 여권이에요. 이건 이불이에요. This is blanket. 아니요, 베개. 베개 is ending with a vowel. That's why 베개예요. Number 5, 이건 뭐예요? This is 지갑. In the last we have 비읍. That's why we add 지갑이에요. Number 6, 이건 컴퓨터예요. This is a computer. 아니요, 거울이에요. Last letter is real. That's why we add 이에요. This is a mirror. Now we have 문법 2, grammar number 2. Then we must add e and ga with the last letter, and 아니에요. 아니에요 is no. E is attached with the consonant, and with the vowel we must attach ga. There are some examples. 저는 I am. 인도 사람, last is consonant. 이 아니에요. I am not from India. 그건 that thing. 휴지 is tissue paper. Last is vowel, that's why 휴지가 아니에요. That is not a tissue paper. 이건, this is Yusuf she is a name. 우산이에요. This is Yusuf 우산. 아니요, no. Yusuf she 우산이, because the last is consonant. 아니에요. This is not Yusuf's umbrella. Now we will complete our sentence with these two words in every sentence. The 포기 is, we have two words, 이것, this thing, and 열쇠 is keys. Because in the middle we have no. So that's why we will say 이것은 열쇠가, because last 열쇠 is vowel. 열쇠가 아니에요. Now we will complete number 1. 이것은 가방이 아니에요. 가방이 아니에요. Number 2. 그것은 휴지가 아니에요. That is not tissue paper. 타라시 묵수가 아니에요. 타라시 is not a carpenter. 저는 I am 미얀마 사람이 아니에요. I am not from Myanmar. Now there is a pogi. After complete our pogi, we will make our sentences with the help of these 3 lines. In the pogi, the picture is 가죽 사진, but he is saying 달력이에요. This is a calendar. 달력이에요. 아니요, no. 달력이 아니에요. If you are saying 아니에요, before 아니에요, you must add e and ga with your word. If the last letter is ending with consonant, you will add e. If the last letter ending with vowel, then you must add ga before 아니에요. 가죽 사진이에요. This is family picture. Now we will make our sentences. 컵이에요. 아니요. 컵이 아니에요. Because in the last there is consonant. 컵이 아니에요. 휴대폰이에요. Number 2. 베개예요. 아니요. 베개가 아니에요. 이불이에요. Number 3. 경찰관이에요. 아니요. 경찰관이 아니에요. 소방관이에요. In 이에요, you no need to do e and ga. But 아니에요, you must add e and ga. Okay. Now we have 대화 number 2. Let's listen.
아궁 씨, 이건 마두 씨의 가방이에요?
Agung she, this is name. Egon, this thing. Madhu she. Where is, if there is something belongs to you, belongs to others, then you will add where. Madhu shiwe 가방이에요. This is Madhu's bag.
아니요. 제 가방이에요.
아니요, no. 제 가방, my bag. 이에요. In the last there is consonant. That's why 이에요. This is my bag.
이건 뭐예요?
이건 뭐예요? What is this?
마두 씨의 가족 사진이에요.
마두 씨의 가족 사진 family picture 이에요. In the last there is consonant. This is Madhu's family photo. Now we have two questions. 이건 누구 가방이에요? We can say because this is my bag. Okay, we will say 제 가방이에요. Number two. 이건 아콩 씨의 가족 사진이에요. You will say 내 아콩 씨의 가족 사진이에요. Now we have a pogi with these words and we will add our sentences with these words. Okay. Now 이건 화장품이에요. In the last there is consonant. That's why 이에요. This is cosmetics. 아니요, no. 그건 that is 화장품이에요. That is cosmetic. This is not cosmetics. That is the thing over there is cosmetics. 이건 뭐예요? What is this? 핏이에요. This is hair brush. Now we will make our sentences with these two words. 이건 볼펜이에요. We must add 이에요 because in the last there is consonant. 이건 볼펜이에요. This is ballpoint. 아니요. 그건 that thing. 볼펜. The last letter is consonant, then we must add E. 볼펜이 아니에요. This is not ballpoint. 이건 뭐예요? What is this? The next is 연필. 연필, the last is consonant, then we must add 이에요. 연필이에요. This is pencil. Now there is a useful expression. 유용한 표현. 표현 is expression. Let's listen.
내일 뵙겠습니다.
내일 뵙겠습니다 is let's see tomorrow.
지금 퇴근하세요?
지금 퇴근하세요. Now, 지금 is now. 퇴근 is work of, living work. 하세요, will you, are you living work now?
조심해서 가요.
조심 is careful. 가요, go safely.
네, 반장님. 내일 뵙겠습니다.
네, 반장님. 반장님 is your senior. 내일, tomorrow. 뵙겠습니다 is let's see tomorrow.